Hello and greetings. I just want to share with you a little bit of storm chasing 101 type of knowledge here. I want to introduce you to something that causes storms to build. This right here, imagine getting your own little cold front every day. This is the East Coast sea breeze. Innocent little line of clouds coming this direction, coming in off the ocean. It by itself doesn't really do a whole lot. It'll just shift the wind a little bit and give a nice east breeze coming in. Again, this is the East Coast sea breeze right here. Now, the ingredients for storms, let's look to the west. Let's look over here. This is the West Coast sea breeze. It's coming this way also. So you get this one coming this way, the East Coast sea breeze coming in from behind me. Again, I'm just going to bring it around. This is the neutral zone here. This is like the battle zone. This is the West Coast, and this is the East Coast right here. The two will meet. When the two meet, there will be a violent collision. It's going to cause the huge towers to build, and it's going to do something really major here in the sky. There could be, it can literally go from what you're seeing now to a violent hailstorm within minutes. These innocent little clouds right here, when combined with the undercutting sea breeze over here, when the two come together, there's going to be all this uplift, which is going to bring it all the way up to these ice crystal clouds way up here. You're going to get big anvils. It could even be nighttime storms that'll move off the East Coast. But right now, I just wanted to show you the East Coast and the West Coast sea breeze as it comes in this way. So this line right here, when the East Coast catches up to it, there could be an explosive line of storms. I just wanted to show you this before it happens. I'm going to put a time lapse out on this, and if it does something of interest, I'll post it later, but I'll post it on my other channel with a song on it. But I just wanted to introduce you to the West Coast and the East Coast sea breeze. Stay tuned.